Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix CarX drift racing stuck on loading screen. Guys, the very obvious and working methods to fix this issue are as follows. Firstly, restart your device. Before that, of course, close the game completely. Perform the restart and relaunch the game and check if it loads. After that, check your internet connection. Sometimes if you have any packet drops, or the connection to the game is bad, or maybe the Steam is lagging, you might have some issues. So make sure to use that your Wi-Fi network is correctly functioning, or just connect to wire. Clear the cache and data. If you're on mobile, it's very easy to do. Just find the application, find the basically clear the cache, clear it, and that should work. Also, updating the game if you haven't already from the App Store or in Steam might fix that issue as well. Also, make sure to verify that your device is compatible with this game. So on Android, it's going to be 4 plus gigs of RAM and a modern CPU. So on the Steam, if you're on the Steam, you can also scroll down and see the requirements right here in the bottom. Read them and become familiar with them. Also, one of the best ways to fix this issue is to just reinstall the game. It fixes lots of issues. Also, you can ensure that the app has all necessary permissions for storage and network if you're on Android. Also, graphical settings may be of issue as well. If you're setting them too high, lower them. That might help. If none of these help, contact support and you can resolve this issue by referring to the support page of CarX Technologies. Guys, this is how it's done. If this helped, like the video, subscribe. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.